Hey everyone, today we are checking out the crimping feature in a couple of different tools. This is an automatic wire stripper and crimper by Haisstronica. Automatic wire stripper and crimper. And this one is a Haisstronica connectors crimping tool. So let's get these things opened up. We'll check them both out, have the features. So here we go. Very, very nice to hold. Nice automatic wire stripper. I love it personally. Here we go, we've got the crimping sides, nice color codes. You got red, blue, and yellow, and then some different sizes there. Here's the crimper. Let's get this one opened up. So very, very heavy duty. Automatic, open. I love that. Pretty slick. Engages, locks, shuts. It's a little adjust on the handle. If you squeeze it too far, it unlocks. So just slightly, there you go, locked. Okay, very interesting. So again, crimping, we got different colors here, light yellow, red, blue, and another yellow. So there they are. That's more like a peach or a white almost. So right now, we're gonna test it with this. We've got blue connectors, also from Haisstronica. Very nice. So here's a connector. What you do is you take your wire, put that in there, okay? Now right now, the wire can pull out. You probably want to use a smaller gauge wire, but this works. You can see there's the wire. So now a crimper would crimp this in so that it doesn't pull out. You could also solder, but that's what the point of a crimper is. This is blue, so you're going to use a blue size crimp. Now, how does this work? Do you put them all up here? No, look at this. So this one would be the yellow, red, blue, different sizes. You could also, since we have two tools, do a little comparison. So you can see the blue is this one right here. It does have some writing on it. It says it is 16 or 10. Let me look. It is 1614, which would make sense. Why? Because look at this is blue 1614. So that's why we're checking all this out, make sure everything matches. So you would want this one to be the 1614. Now it says here 1614 is right there, so that would be the third one down, because this says 2210, 1210, 1614. So right here, 1614. So let's test it out right here. I'll show you from the other side. So push this through, 1614, crimp it. Probably want to crimp it like this. Make sure you got it lined up right, and then just squeeze. So that should be crimped. Now let's pull it. Very, very nice. Very, very solid. I can't pull it off. So that's great. Let's do another test. Okay, got another wire here. First of all, wire strip it. Look at that. Very, very slick. Okay, put it through. Now we'll test with the crimper. Put it on the blue, so right there. Make sure you're lined up nice. Okay, it's in there. Very nice, very solid, very secure setting. Look at that. Go all the way to the click. This one is so much more heavy and solid. Look at that crimp. You're never ever gonna pull that out. That is beyond secure. Take a look at this crimp. Now this is still secure, but I mean you can tell it's a little bowed, it's a little cocked. This one, unbelievably flat. So if you have to use a crimper in a pinch, wire stripper, crimper combo, great, use it. If you can, and if you do need to crimp, use this tool. As we just demonstrated, look at how much better this one is. Look at automatic, this guy, it works. This one, boom. That's what it's made for. So if you have any questions or comments, post them below. I'll do what I can to help you out. Hopefully this video helped you out. All these products will be below as well. Check them out.